In this video, I'm going to help you understand how the marriage allowance works and how you could save up to £252 a year by transferring your personal tax-free allowance to your partner. We'll cover who qualifies, how much you can save, and how to apply even for previous years. Marriage allowance is a UK tax benefit for married couples or civil partners. It allows one partner who earns less than the personal allowance to transfer up to 10% of that allowance to their partner. For the 2024-25 tax year, that's £1,260, which can reduce your partner's tax bill by up to £252. To qualify, you must be married or in a civil partnership. One partner must earn less than £12,570, the current personal allowance. The other partner must be a basic rate taxpayer, earning between £12,571 and £50,270. It won't apply if you both earn too much or too little. It's ideal for couples where one earns significantly less. If approved, the higher earner gets up to £252 off their tax bill per year. Even better, you can backdate your claim for up to 4 years if you were eligible. That's potentially over £1,000 in refunds. You can also claim marriage allowance during your self-assessment submission, which is quick and easy. All you need to do is log into your self-tax account, go to the SA100 Marriage Allowance section, and have the partner or spouse who earns under their personal allowance fill in the boxes. They should tick the Mat Out checkbox, while the person who wants to receive should simply click the Mat In checkbox. There's no need to fill in any other boxes.
Here's how to apply for backdated marriage allowance online using the government website. Visit gov.uk and search Marriage Allowance. Click Start Now button. it will take you to this page. Here you need to enter your government gateway user ID and password. The lower earning partner applies. You'll need both partners, national insurance numbers, and income details. If eligible, your partner's tax code will be adjusted and any backdated refunds will be sent by bank transfer or check. So once you know how to apply, you might still have a few questions about how the marriage allowance actually works. Let's clear those up. Question 1. Can I apply if I'm self-employed? Answer: absolutely. As long as your income falls within the same thresholds, one partner under the personal allowance and the other, a basic rate taxpayer being self-employed, makes no difference. Question 2. What if both of us earn less than £12,570? Answer: in that case, neither of you is paying income tax, so there's nothing to reduce. The marriage allowance wouldn't benefit you yet. Question 3. Does this affect universal credit or child benefit? Answer: no, don't worry. The marriage allowance only changes how much income tax you pay. It doesn't affect benefits like universal credit or child benefit. Question 4. Do we need to reapply each year? Answer: no. Once your claim is approved, it usually rolls forward automatically every tax year. But if your circumstances change, like income levels or relationship status, you should update HMRC. Question 5. Can we backdate the claim if we've only just heard about it? Answer: yes, you can backdate your claim for up to 4 previous tax years if you are eligible, potentially getting over £1,000 in refunds. Now remember, you cannot claim marriage allowance if you're living together, but you're not married or in a civil partnership. So, that's the marriage allowance in a nutshell. Simple, legal, and a great way to save on your tax bill. Well, that's it for today's video. In this video, we've learned what marriage allowance is and how to check if you're eligible for it, and if yes, then how to claim marriage allowance even for backdates using self-tax. Discover unparalleled insights, expert advice, and innovative strategies by subscribing to our premier YouTube channel. Subscribe now and empower your fiscal future. Wisdom is just one subscription away. Visit selftax.co.uk today.
The marriage allowance is one of the UK's most underused tax reliefs, and many eligible couples miss out without even realising it. If you or your partner earns less than the personal allowance, it's worth checking your eligibility. It only takes a few minutes to apply, and you might be due money from previous years. Check what you're owed today with selftax.co.uk. Simple, secure, and built for UK taxpayers.